Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is part of my English fluency series for Filipino students, especially to business and accounting students. I see a lot of videos on YouTube of people teaching accounting online, which is super great, and I think they're super helpful. But what I noticed is mispronounced words of these accounting terms or business terms. And I think it's very important for accounting students to really understand and really know the proper pronunciation of each word, because when it's time for you to go out there and start working, you don't know where your career will take you. You might end up working in a different country where you have to speak in English and you have to communicate with other people. So it's very important that you know the proper pronunciation of these words. So I have 30 words here. Nag-effort pa ako na mag-print talaga ng mga words na to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go through each of these words and teach you the proper pronunciation of each of them. But before we do that, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell so you are notified when I post another video. Alright, let's do it! So all of these words came from my intermediate accounting book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read each of these words the way some Filipino students read them. I just want to start by saying that there's nothing wrong with Filipino accent. I know that we are all very touchy about that subject. We love our country, we love our language, but when it comes to English words, and especially in a business setting, it is very important for you to know the proper pronunciation. Just a disclaimer, I am not a professional English teacher, so you might disagree on how I pronounce the words. And if you do, feel free to let me know in the comment down below. So I'm going to read each of these words with Tagalog accent first. Comparability, journal, deferral, accrual, qualitative, characteristics, trial balance, accumulated, depreciation, amortization, recognition, measurement, accounting, revenue, fundamental, disclosure, equity, conceptual, current, comprehensive, modified, transaction, combination, assumption, balance, capital, bad debt, nominal, assumptions, constraint. So let's go ahead and read these words properly. So I'm going to read the word 3 times, and then I will tell you the common mispronunciation of each word. Let's go ahead and start with this. So this word, you can say accounting, 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 or accounting, accounting, accounting. It really depends on how you say it, but either one is good. Now, a lot of students say accounting. It's actually very easy for Filipinos to adapt the English accent. What you need to do is put a little lende on how you say words, and then you're most likely gonna get it right. Revenue, revenue, revenue. We can also say revenue, revenue, revenue. Some Filipinos would read this as revenue, revenue, with a rolling R. Recognition. So the accent is on the recognition, nition. So that's where the accents are. Recognition, recognition. Measurement. So the letter S sounds like a letter Z. Measurement, measurement. Now, this is a very commonly mispronounced word. Like I said earlier, some of the people who post video tutorial on Facebook pronounce this as depreciation. Depreciation, and that's wrong. You say depreciation. So the accent is on the second syllable. Depreciation. Depreciation. Amortization. 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 Trial balance. Trial balance. Some students will say trial balance. So that's fine for a Filipino. What you need to do to put an American accent is lagyan mo lang ng konting landi. So you say trial balance. Trial balance. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you about the American A. So the American A looks like that, or I think it's something like that. This A here is not pronounced as A. It's pronounced as A. So trial balance. Balance. It's almost like a letter E, but there's an A in the beginning. So AE is the American A. Balance. Balance. Trial balance. Accumulated. 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 So again here, the letter T here, you can pop the T or you can roll it. If you want to pop the T, you can say qualitative. Qualitative. But if you want to roll it, which is more proper, you say qualitative. 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 What are the qualitative aspects of characteristics? What are the characteristics of that? Very common word, accrual. 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 Deferral. 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 Comparability. 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 So this one again, same thing. If you want to pop the T, you can. It sounds like comparability. But if you don't want to pop it, if you just roll it, which is how I would do it, you say comparability. Comparability. Next one, journal. It's not journal, it's journal. Journal. It's almost like J-E-R-N-A-L. So the O-U sounds like a letter E. Journal. Journal. This one is not balance. It's balance. American A, balance. Konting landi, balance. Capital. Capital. Not capital. American A, konting landi. Capital. Capital. Combination. Not combination, it's combination. This O here sounds like a letter A. So you drop your jaw, you say combination. 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 Assumption. 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 Modified. 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 The letter O, you drop your jaw, modified. It's almost like a letter A, but you drop it. Modified. Drop your jaw, modified. Not modified. Modified. Transaction. The letter A is an American A. Letter S almost sounds like a letter Z. Transaction. Not transaction. Konting landi, transaction. And always remember that when you see the T-I-O-N, most words in the English language would sound like shin. Current. It's not current. It's current. K, almost like a letter E, current. Not current, current. Current assets and current liabilities. Comprehensive. A lot of people pronounce this as comprehensive, which is good. But if you want it to sound better, you drop your jaw here, you say comprehensive. Comprehensive. This one is not equity. The letter T, you either roll it or you pop it. If you pop it, it sounds like equity. Equity. But if you roll it, which is better, again, you say equity. 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 This one is from the word concept. So you drop your jaw, concept. Conceptual. 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 Conceptual framework of accounting. Fundamental. It's not fundamental, it's fundamental. 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 Disclosure. Disclosure. This is what you do when you disclose something in your financial statements. Disclosure. Disclosure. Bad debt. bad debt. Silent B, bad debt. Nominal. Nominal accounts or temporary accounts. You say nominal. You drop your jaw here. Nominal. Nominal. Assumptions. 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 Constraint. 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 Time constraint. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you learned something new. Again, if you have any questions or any comments about how I pronounce a word, please let me know in the comment down below and we can talk about it. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless. Happy studying.